Hey, good day everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome to a beautiful day here in the Canadian Maritimes. Anyway, today's video I want to cover what this symbol means, or what does this mean? Put on the screen here. Entities hunted. So when you go to the POTA dashboard and you see this graph that says entities hunted, what does that mean? Well, it's not labeled all that well. Should be DXCC, entities hunted. So what that symbolizes, or what that identifies in your POTA dashboard, is the different DXCC countries that you have worked through the POTA system. So if you're an avid DXer like I am, you could be stuck at 109 like I have been for weeks, if not months, trying to get that 110th country on POTA. The average POTA hunter probably sits at a dozen or so. It depends on how active you are in chasing different DXCC. So for example, United States is one DXCC entity. Canada is another. Alaska is one. Germany, England. There is a website you can go to, I'll put on the screen here, that'll show you all the DXCC entities around the world. Not all of them are on POTA, but a good percentage of them are. The other question is now, how often do they get activated? I think the last country that I worked on POTA was Azerbaijan, and that was a rare one, an Alpha 4 I think it was. So that's what entities hunted means in your POTA dashboard. It's up to you if you want to be the type of person that wants to go and chase POTA DX. That's my kind of thing. I rather work POTA DX than worked all states, for example. But that's just me. You're different. So if that means something to you, that's what it means. If that doesn't mean anything to you, then you can probably just skip it. There you have it. My name's Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Hope you got something out of this video, and we'll see you guys next time. See you later.